again, thank you for this wonderful experience and go beyond.
So, kanina po yung nagsalita po, si Zia po, under po siya ng 2-week session. Ngayon po si Nikayla sa Sunflower, another po sa 2 weeks, si Riley, Mikael, si Vivian.
To my beloved teacher and parents, to my wonderful friends and classmates, it was a morning. It had to be a great honor for me to start the journey here in St. Xavier Center. I made a new set of friends, discover my talent and skills. I had to push myself beyond the limit. I like to thank the following people for a great impact on this journey. To my mommy and daddy, I like to thank you for all sacrifices to guide anything. You for always reminding me how to be a good boy. I love you. I love you, the deepest of my heart. Your presence means a lot of me. Thank you for teaching us, for having us and keeping us children. To my friends and classmates, I'm so grateful to play with you, with you, study with you, and most of all of you. To celebrate this moment with our family and teachers. I love you, and again, thank you for this wonderful experience and go beyond.
Good job.
So, meron po kami isa po sa Sunflower, si Luis Sailino Federis. Sorry po kasi nasa ano po siya.